Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use overdraft money on Lloyds Bank. First, open the Lloyds Bank app and select the account you want to apply the overdraft. Tap on the three-dot menu at the top right of the account page. Select Overdraft from the list of options. If you haven't applied yet, the app will show you the option to do so. Follow the prompts to submit your request. Once approved, Lloyds will confirm your overdraft limit. You can now use overdraft funds for everyday spending like card purchases, bill payments, or cash withdrawals, just like using your regular balance. And that's it. That's how to use overdraft money on Lloyds Bank. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.